Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Yes. Children, have you seen garden? Yes. What are the things you see in garden? Can anyone tell me? Yes, you can see flower, you'll be seeing flowers, trees, plants. No. Yes. Children, today you are going to learn the poem which is related to plant. Okay. What is the name of the poem? The Little Plant. Okay. Who wrote this poem? By Kate L. Brown. Who wrote this poem? By Kate L. Brown. What is the author name? Kate L. Brown. Okay. Understood? The name of the poem is The Little Plant by Kate L. Brown. Very good. Children, what are the parts of plants? Can anyone tell me? What are the parts of plants? Yes? Stems, leaves, fruits, flowers. No. Yes. And what are the essential things for a plant to grow? What are the essential things? If a plant want to grow, what are the essential things it want? It need sunlight. No, water. Then carbon dioxide. These three things are very, very important for a plant to grow. Yes? Yes, children. Listen here, children. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Okay. See here, listen here, children. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Okay. In the heart of a seed. What do you mean by seed, children? After eating the fruit, you can see the seeds, no, inside the fruit. Yes. If you eat after eating all the fruit, what you'll do? You'll throw the seeds. And what seeds will happen? Seeds will be buried in the ground, no? Yes, buried deep, so deep, so that from the seed, what comes? A tiny plant grows, no? From the seed. Yes, it lay fast asleep. Okay. And seed deep, a tiny. What do you mean by tiny, children? Tiny is nothing but small. What do you mean by tiny? Yes, small. Okay. See here, tiny means small. Okay. And buried. What do you mean by buried? Buried is nothing but hidden underground. Okay. Here you can see the word buried. Yes. Buried. Okay. And this is tiny. And what is the past tense of lay? Laid. Okay. Yes. Children, shall we move to the next one? You can see the seeds, there is plants growing steps, First seed is buried under the ground. Then a shoot comes, no? Yes. And these are the roots. Okay. See here, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant. You can see this video. See here, how a seed, how a shoot, how a little plant comes from the seed. You can see here now, from the ground. Okay, it is lifting the soil and it is coming upward to see the beautiful world. Okay, the little plant. See, you can see, from the seed, you can see all the roots are coming out and see how it is lifting the soil. Yes, it is lifting the soil and the little plant is coming. No, a beautiful little plant is coming out. Yes, here also you can see a little plant is coming out of the seed. Yes. Shall we move, children? Wake, said the sunshine. Okay, what said? If the sunlight, if a plant gets sunlight only, it can grow, no? So what the sun is telling? Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. A plant grows near the light, in towards the light, no? Always it need a sunlight for a plant to grow. So it grows towards a sunlight. It creep to the light. Wake, said the voice. Okay. See here? Of the raindrops bright. You can see a raindrops, no? A plant need sunlight and water. This is very important for a plant to grow, no? So, what it is telling? Wake, said the sunshine. Sunshine is telling the plant to wake up, okay? And creep to the light. What the plant should do? It should creep towards the light, okay? Wake, said the voice. Voice is telling that wake up fast. Of the raindrops bright. Okay, you have to grow bigger, bigger, bigger. Okay, understood? And you can see the rhyming words here. Light, bright. What are the rhyming words? Light, bright. Okay, yes. And set the sunshine and creep to the light. Okay, see, actually a little plant want sunshine, no? Yes. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Okay. And what the plant is telling, what the sunshine is telling, wake up. Okay, creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. You can see the raindrops, no? If a plant gets rain only, it can grow. It can grow well, no? Yes. See the picture. First you can see the seed, then roots you can see. Afterwards, see the seed is breaking, no? It broke, and from the seed a little shoot is coming out of the seed. Okay, and a little plant, beautiful little plant is coming out. Yes. The little plant heard. What it heard? The little plant heard, and it rose to see. It rose. What is the present tense? Present tense of roses? Rise. R-I-S-E. Rise. Okay, past tense of rise is rose. What the wonderful outside world might be. The little plant heard. Heard means the present tense is hear. Past tense of hear is heard. Okay. What the wonderful outside world might be. May. The past tense of may is might. Past tense of may is might. Okay. The little plant is coming out to see the beautiful world, wonderful world. Okay. You understood, children? What the wonderful outside world might be. See the picture, how so what a beautiful, no? See the little plant, how it is growing. Greenish color, green color leaves coming out, no? Yes, you can see this video also. See, from the seed, a little shoot, a little plant is coming out. How beautiful it is, no? It is coming to see the outside world. Okay, yes. Okay, children, thank you. Read the poem, children. Okay. Yes. Thank you, children.